Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I repurpose an old telescope tripod, and I'm just going to be reusing this to put my cell phone on so I get to record more videos. I'm going to be removing the top section, and there's just a little screw underneath here that I'm going to go on ahead and remove that so I can get the top piece off. So that's the little nut from underneath the bottom section. This is what the top section looks like. So my aim is to get something in the top of that. Now this little groove came from, there's a little area right at the side, and that just helps to tighten the piece that I just removed. So I will be able to tighten something on the inside of that as well. I'm gonna be going ahead and using this piece of wood. I'm gonna be pushing that down into the section and then cutting that off. So this is what it looks like, and I push back the little groove in it and then tighten it just so I can get something to lay flat on top. I'm gonna be using this piece of board, and I'm just going to be putting it over. I'm going to take the measurements so I'll be able to screw it down. So I marked out my front and my back just so I know where to put my screw. So I'm just going to go on ahead and line it up and then screw from the front. So this is my screw and my screwdriver. This is what it looks like. So the front section, the top section is up. The little groove, I can get to put my cell phone in that. So this is what it would look like. I'm also going to be putting a little back piece on as well and some elastic so I can push it forward and backwards. Thank you guys very much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Keep your post notifications on so you'll be notified every time I put out a new video. And don't forget to check me out over on my other channel, I'm Being Me TV.